Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Aniga Maga Muhammad Nasir. Adda Aniga Hargeisa Magalo. So this Magalo is very busy. This road is very busy every time. It's very busy this road.
Every time busy.
All Ali, this area name?
Every time is Wahan.
Wahan. So this is Wahan area.
Yeah.
So Wahan area is very busy. Have a lot of people for working here and shopping. Have a lot of shopping mall. You can see. All Somali Sahib ka thank you for watching this video Mahasanet. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. So my channel name is Willy Boy Somali. Thank you very much. Bye bye.